have one of my family members' portfolios, and they have not been allocating things the best. Now, EMBA, excellent. BBU, I do like BBU, okay? That one's gonna, but I just looked here. BBU has the least of the dividends. So their dividend is gonna be like 1.1. I think I might sell some BBU and go into the uranium one that I always talk about. I think that's what I'm gonna do on that. Okay, so that's one move. Now, you guys aren't gonna, the TNXP, and I wish he would have gotten more. He did not exactly. This is gonna be bad. Now, Iowa, he liked biotechs and weed stocks. He was very into the weed stocks, so, which I could say the weed stocks are gonna start looking a lot more promising. This BGXX for 42, I think he might be a wash on the 42. I don't even know what, you can't trade him on public anymore. And then this really goes to show people allocation is very important. The allocation in this account is making it look like absolute fucking shit. I didn't know this was how things were being allocated though. But see, I'm not going to sell out of the humusite because what the fuck? He doesn't really care. This is just a long-term account. So I'm going to keep the humusite and just eventually it goes up. Fucking shit. What's the average on humusite? $7.53. Oh my god. All right. But, all right. He tried to average it down. That's also too, so it's something he did. But and Iowa, I think, will come back up. Anyway, he has like barely any Iowa. And he has sold things out of this and taken things. He took out the NVIDIA like an idiot. This would also look a lot better if he sold the NVIDIA in it. And Amazon. He took out Amazon out of it. I need to put him back into those things. But then I'm afraid he's going to take it out. I feel like he seems less likely to take out things that are like small. I don't know. Okay. I think I'm going to get him into Aurora Trucking. For sure. And after TNXP pops, then I could go into something maybe like Hover. After the MBOT pops, I could put him into BBI and see. Or some Rocket Lab. That could be a nice one. Because we do have a decent amount of 369. I think I'm going to let this BBU keep going up. Even though it is a small dividend. Or I could do Kinder Morgan. That one could be KMI or ET. And Kinder Morgan is somewhat down. How are you going to keep a natural gas company down with natural gas pipelines, products, pipelines, terminals, CO2? Natural gas pipeline segment operates. I feel like KMI could be a nice add instead of, and I think KMI could have bigger gains than BBU. I think it will. If we maybe sell enough BBU and then go into, I don't want to sell it all. How many does he have? 14 if we sold 4 shares. Let's see. I'm going to KMI. And then I want to buy it now because they're already going up. 4 Damn it. We can only buy 3. Oh, wait. We can buy dollars. We'll buy $99 worth of KMI. Oops. And see what happens there. What the hell? Oh. Okay, so we bought 3 shares of Kinder Morgan. I don't know why that wouldn't let me do it like that. And then, what if we did Hover? Hover is on somewhat of a down, and I don't think they will be for much longer. But I also think UAVS could really see a big gain, considering maybe I'll just get the other $19 in UAVS. Amount orders not allowed for UAVS symbol. Why does it keep saying? Or we get into knock. That could be interesting, could it not? I think it could. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Yeah, 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 yeah. Let's see. Why is it not letting me? All right, we're going to go into UAVS instead of the knock. I don't know why it was making it do that. Damn it! It's because I gave an optional contribution. Damn this stupid thing. Why did I do that shit? Oh, well, okay. We can't be giving contributions when we're trying to make money, okay, people? But this, okay, so we were hoping that UAVS goes up. And we got the Kinder in there. And tomorrow we will look at this again. And then we'll see. I'm going to figure out the best moves for this account. That is what I'll do.